Welcome to Pantex Solutions. Today we're gonna see the project of forest fire detection and prediction using ThingSpeak Cloud by having a microcontroller as a node MCU. Okay, for detecting a fire in forest, we are having several sensors here, which is connected with the node MCU. Here first we are having LDR, light dependent resistor, and this is LM35, which is temperature sensor, and here we are having a humidity sensor to measure humidity around the atmosphere, and here we are having a soil moisture sensor, and this is a accelerometer, and here we are having ultrasonic sensor. Okay, now we gonna since those sensors are analog sensor, we connected with the node MCU by using having MCP3008, which is a ADC IC for conversion of analog value to digital values. Okay, here we gonna apply some we are having the code, we're gonna run the code, and we're gonna see those parameters which gets uploaded in the ThingSpeak, and by applying some fire we're gonna predict some actions like there is severe occurrence of forest fire by having MATLAB scripts which gonna run inside that ThingSpeak Cloud. Okay, now I'm gonna run the program. Now we are seeing every parameter value like temperature sensor value, DHT11 humidity sensor value, LDR sensor, and ultrasonic sensor range. Then now we're gonna apply some fire on that so that we can able to see the parameters which is gonna steadily increase. So by based on that parameter, we're gonna monitor, we're gonna predict that forest fire detection. Okay, we're gonna do prediction on that sensor value based on their threshold value. Now I'm gonna apply some fire on that. Okay, now we can able to see the difference which is occurred in temperature sensor while applying heat in the sensor. We can able to see the temperature is steadily increased up to 90 degrees Celsius, and here humidity sensor also decreased because there is no moisture in air while placing a fire in those sensors. Okay, now automatically mail gonna triggered. Okay, now we're gonna see our mail. This is the mail which is IF represents if this then that. By using those functions we can able to trigger those mail based on the MATLAB scripts. Okay, here it will show what test fire. This is a date with the time and extra data. There is we are gonna set some threshold value. It will show those values like LDR value and soil moisture value and temperature value. So it will confirm that there is fire detected in forest. So we predicted those values in a ThingSpeak Cloud by having a MATLAB scripts. Okay, that's it.